National Weather Service. The National Weather Service in Chicago has issued a special marine warning for nearshore waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Neck Harbor, open waters from Winthrop Harbor to Little Neck Harbor out to mid-lake until 12:30 a.m. At 9:34 p.m., strong thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near McHenry to near Elgin, moving east at 30 knots. Hazard, wind gusts 34 knots or greater. Source, radar. Impact, small craft could be damaged and briefly higher winds and suddenly higher waves. Locations impacted include Winthrop Harbor and Waukegan Harbor. Move to safe harbor until hazardous weather passes. Here is the nearshore marine forecast for water.